Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the different life-threatening complications of aortic dissection. So first of all, mnemonic. So mnemonic is very easy, aortic. So first of all, A for the aortic insufficiency. If it occurs, this is the first complication of aortic dissection. Next one is the O for the occlusion, and this is the specific type of coronary artery occlusion. This can also occur and this is very life-threatening. Third one is the R for the rupture. Aortic dissection may rupture into the abdominal cavity. So this is the third life-threatening complication. Fourth one is the T for the tamponade, cardiac tamponade or the pericardial effusion. This can also occur as a result of aortic dissection. The second last is the I for the ischemia, and this is the ischemia of the different viscera and the different organs of the body. So this can also occur. The last one is the C for the CVA, and this is the cerebrovascular accident or the stroke. This can also occur due to the aortic dissection. So this is the aortic mnemonic and this is very easy to remember. I hope you have liked this video. You can subscribe our channel for more mnemonic videos, and thanks for watching.